I heard the noise. Sounded like a freight train coming. And then all of a sudden it was just gone.
It's unbelievable what came over Florida early in the morning today.
Destruction in this area is just enormous. Everywhere I look, every time I turn the helicopter around, I'm finding more and more destruction.
What I've seen and have been told, this is the worst, right here in the front of the park.
There's 4 of us and we all survived. Little scratches, but everything's gone.